Never really had a dental practice before. I was so fearful that I would go someplace when I was in pain, they would fix me and I wouldn't go back again. I had my top teeth pulled. I had much of my bottom teeth pulled. I now have a bridge on the bottom and a denture on the top. Strange as it's gonna sound, enjoyed coming here. I look forward to coming here. From the first time, I felt like they really cared about me, and they kind of held my hand and walked me through the process. I always ran away from the camera. Now, not so much. I have a smile. I haven't smiled in years and years and years. I never took a selfie before I came to Dr. Koppel. I have told many people to come to Dr. Koppel. Dr. Koppel promised me, and he did, he would hold my hand through the entire process. And I tell that to people. I have recommended him to a few people already. They all come and say hello to me, whether they're working on me at the time or not. They all come by, are you okay? How you doing? Is everything okay? They've just been very caring to me from the moment I met all of them. I miss coming here. I kind of miss coming here. I was coming sometimes 2-3 times a week. Dr. Koppel changed my life. I wish I did it many, many, many years ago. They shouldn't hesitate.